We've all been there a time or two where last minute you need something really yummy that's gonna please a crowd but isn't hard to make. And I've got a few ideas for you. In fact, you may even have the ingredients in your pantry and fridge right now.
Let's start with the Mediterranean layer dip. Gather your ingredients in a medium-sized platter. Spread chive cream cheese in an even layer on the platter and then top with a layer of hummus. Sprinkle on crumbled feta, tomatoes, Kalamata olives, and scallions. Serve with tortilla chips or veggies. My favorite are the cucumbers. Next up, sweet heat deviled eggs. Begin by slicing the hard-boiled eggs in half and removing the yolks. Use the back of a fork to break up the yolks in a small bowl. When they resemble coarse crumbs, add in the mayo and harissa or your favorite hot sauce. Combine well, breaking up the lumps to get it as smooth as possible. Transfer the yolk mixture into a baggie and cut off a corner to turn it into a piping bag. And now fill the egg whites with the yolk mixture. Try to fill them as evenly as you can, but don't feel like you need to get all fancy or anything unless you really want to. In another small bowl, combine peach jam with more harissa or hot sauce. Microwave for about 30 seconds, then stir until well combined. Then spoon a small amount of that mixture on top of each deviled egg and then let chill in the fridge until you're ready to eat. Last, but definitely not least, Addictive Artichoke Dip. Only 3 ingredients. So chop the marinated artichokes and combine them with freshly grated truffle pecorino cheese and mayonnaise. Mix it up and serve with chips and crackers, garnish with Kalamata olives, sun-dried tomatoes, and parsley if you'd like, or serve it with fresh-cut veggies.
So these are the snacks that leave me hanging around the snack table a little too long, and I'll admit it, sometimes I ruin my dinner.
You can find all of these recipes and many more at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.